In this video, we'll be showing you how I did a relaxed, self-guided day trip from Lisbon to Sintra. No tours, no rush, just a day exploring at my own pace. Good morning from Lisbon today. So, it's just me today. Zoe is going to be going to the city with her nan and granddad, but I am now heading over to try and get a bus or something, whatever Google Maps says, and I'm going to be heading over to Sintra. Sintra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its royal palaces, exotic gardens, and colourful, almost dreamlike architecture. For centuries, it was the summer escape of Portuguese kings, and best of all, it's easily accessible from Lisbon. I'll be visiting Pena Palace, which was built on the ruins of a 7th century chapel and designed to look like a colourful fairy tale castle. Sintra is easily accessible from Lisbon's cruise port, with just a short walk to the train station and a scenic train ride taking you right into town. It's a simple, stress-free way to explore on your own. Once you arrive in Sintra, the easiest way to get around is the hop-on, hop-off bus, which picks up right outside the train station. It's a super convenient way to reach all the main sites without the uphill walk. Right, so I've just arrived at Pena Palace. Few things probably worth noting if you're planning on coming here for the day. I got off the ship around about 9:30, 9:45. I've just got here and it is now 12:30. Probably could have done it a little bit quicker if I just timed things better. It's super easy to get here. I would definitely recommend getting the hop on and hop off bus. It was €13.50, so you can get on and off, you can go anywhere you want to go. If I didn't have the overnight, I would say it's definitely worth paying a little bit extra, either doing like the excursion through the ship company if that's what you prefer, or doing something on, say, a coach. And the reason I say that is because of how much more time you're going to get, but it's very nice. It's very nice. We definitely recommend pre-booking your tickets and time slots before visiting. The queues on the day were really long, and having mine sorted in advance saved me a lot of time and stress. One important thing to know, if you've booked entry to Pena Palace, the time on your ticket is for entering the palace building itself, not the main gate. It's a decent uphill walk from the entrance to the palace, so make sure you allow plenty of time to get there. As you'll see in this video, it was a long queue to enter, and plenty of people were getting shown away as they were either on the wrong time slot or had missed the one they'd booked. I paid extra to go inside the palace, but honestly, I'm not sure I'd do it again. The best views are found outside, which you can access with any ticket, whilst the inside was very busy with a slow-moving, single-file queue through each room. From the outside as you head towards the top of the palace, the views are spectacular. And on a clear day like I had, it felt like you could see forever. There was a lot of construction work going on during my visit, but it didn't detract from the experience at all, and I didn't notice anything inaccessible. Food-wise, there is a cafe and an on-site restaurant. Whilst I didn't visit the restaurant, the cafe had a very limited selection. It was expensive and the quality was pretty poor also. I'd recommend either planning food around your visit here within the town of Sintra or bringing something in with you as an alternative. Once you've finished enjoying the heights of the palace, make sure to explore the surrounding gardens. They are peaceful, lush, and feel a world away from the crowds inside and around the palace. There are winding forest paths, hidden viewpoints, and even little ponds and statues tucked between the trees. The gardens are very well kept and looked after, and it's the perfect place to slow down and take in all that Pena Palace offers. I decided to just go off on a wander and see what I could find, as opposed to following a predetermined route or path. Very much lost now. I think I probably could have got a map or something before I came, but I felt, oh, it's a horse. Found a horse. It's not just not a wild horse or nothing. I'll flip the camera around and show you. Looks like it's under control. I'm just a bit scared of horses. Oh, he's looking at me. He can smell it. He can smell the fear. He can definitely smell the fear. So just a little sum up really. If you are going on a cruise and you're going to be heading into Lisbon, if you've not been before, I would say to you, stay in Lisbon. The ship docks in a great area. So much to do, so much to see, so many places to go. And it's a lovely city. You really can do, you can go there 3, 4, 5 times, do different things every time and love the city. If like me, you've been to Lisbon quite a few times and you're looking for doing something a little bit different, then give Sintra a go. It is going to be a long day. If you've got an overnight, that's really what you want to have. I wouldn't feel comfortable right now if I didn't have an overnight stay. I know I'm not going to miss the ship today. I would say that public transport is an option. It's cheap, it's relatively quick when you actually get on it. But the problem is all the bits in between make it a much longer option. Ideally, you want to be doing private transfers or something like that because it's going to give you hours of extra time in Sintra and remove a little bit of that stress as well where you're worried about whether you're going to make it back to the ship or not. Overall, it's been a really good day and I'm glad I've done it. That concludes our Sintra tour. Comment below with any questions, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.